Welcome to the amazing world of plastic bottle recycling. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to transform ordinary bottles into practical everyday solutions. These simple projects are eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and incredibly useful. Get ready to see plastic waste in a whole new light. Slightly melt the top of the bottle cap. To avoid burns, screw the cap onto a bottle neck that has been cut from a bottle. While holding the neck, slightly melt the top of the cap with a lighter. While the plastic is still soft, carefully push a pencil through the softened cap, creating a small protrusion about half an inch high. After the plastic hardens, cut off the tip of the resulting protrusion to create a small hole. Make a hole in the center of the plastic bottle's bottom. Cut a fitting from a rubber tire and place it on a long rod. Apply hot glue and insert the stick with the fitting into the hole in the bottle's bottom. Attach a silicone tube to the fitting and secure it with a plastic zip tie for reliability. Screw the modified cap with the spout onto the bottle. Lower one end of the hose into a container with liquid. To start pumping, cover the hole in the cap with your finger, then release it. The liquid will begin to flow through the system. This device is perfect for draining gasoline from a car tank or transferring other liquids. Take a plastic bottle and make two holes opposite each other in the middle section. Thread a long screw through both holes. Prepare a small wooden block and screw the protruding end of the screw into it. Attach a smaller block near the bottle neck. Place bait inside the bottle through the neck. When a mouse climbs in for the bait, you can carefully carry the trap and release the animal far away from your home. Take a plastic bottle and carefully cut off the bottom. Make one central hole and several holes around the perimeter of the cut-off bottom. Insert a hook through the center. Place this homemade strainer in your sink drain. Now food scraps and small debris will be caught in this DIY strainer instead of entering the plumbing. Cut a small plastic bottle in half. Take a plastic pipe of suitable length and wrap tape around one end to thicken it. Place the upper part of the bottle with the neck onto the prepared end of the pipe and secure it firmly with tape. Insert the light bulb that needs to be replaced into the resulting socket. Now you can easily screw and unscrew light bulbs and high ceiling fixtures without using a chair or ladder. Take a glass jar and put a label on it with the product name, for example salt. Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle including the neck and cap, and place it on the glass jar. Using a heat gun, carefully heat the plastic so it shrinks and fits tightly around the jar. This simple modification will make using grains and other dry ingredients in the kitchen more convenient and prevent spills. It's also a compact and airtight solution for camping trips. Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle with the neck. In the remaining bottom part of the bottle, cut one narrow strip along the entire length. Attach the resulting structure to the wall using double-sided tape. Now you have a practical wall organizer for storing and easily dispensing bags. Simply pull and tear off the bag you need in one motion. Collect several plastic bottle caps. Make a long lengthwise cut in the middle of each cap. Take a knife with a metal tang without a handle. Place the first cap with the cut onto the knife tang. Continue to stack the remaining caps one after another. Apply hot glue between the caps for a secure connection. Done! Your knife has been given a second life with a new comfortable handle made from recycled materials. Cut off the top part of a large 5-liter plastic container. In the remaining bottom part, make 4 holes at equal distances from each other on each side. Thread 2 plastic zip ties through these holes. Separate 2 rings with handles from bottles. Attach them to the container using plastic zip ties. Make multiple additional holes across the entire surface of the container. Place potatoes, onions, or other vegetables inside. Thanks to the many holes, the vegetables will be well ventilated, won't get moldy, and will stay fresh longer. Take a large 5-liter plastic container and cut it approximately in half. Open a zipper so that you have 2 separate halves. Apply hot glue to one side of the zipper and attach it to the lower part of the container. Repeat the same with the second half of the container and the other side of the zipper. Use this organizer to store small parts in your workshop, food in the kitchen, or any other items that require protection and convenient access. Take a plastic bottle cap and use a soldering iron to make 4 indentations. Position cables under these indentations and secure the caps with screws. This simple solution will help organize cables both at home and in the office. Cut off the bottom and top parts of a plastic bottle. Insert the top part into the bottom part. Cut off the threaded necks from 3 additional bottles and smooth the edges using sandpaper. Make holes in the resulting base that correspond to the diameter of the cut-off necks. Remove the sealing rings. Insert the necks into the prepared holes and secure them with the sealing rings. Now you have a convenient organizer for the bathroom where you can place toothbrushes, toothpaste, and other toiletries. Take a plastic bottle and cut 3 longitudinal rectangles from it. Make a hole in the center of the cap. Insert a hook into this hole and screw the cap with the hook back onto the bottle. Place a small vase with flowers inside or directly plant something with soil. Hang the finished flower pot by the hook on a porch, gazebo, or in the garden. Take a plastic bottle and cut off the top and bottom parts. Take the cut-off bottom of the bottle and make several cuts in it. Insert this bottom into the top part of the bottle. Secure the structure with tape for reliability. Pour grains, peas, rice, or other dry goods into the resulting container. Now you have a convenient storage container. Unscrew the cap from a fabric softener bottle and make a hole of appropriate size in it. Insert a pencil sharpener into this hole. Cut off the top part with the neck from a regular plastic bottle and insert the cut part into the fabric softener cap. When sharpening a pencil, the shavings will be collected inside the container. Take 2 plastic bottles. Cut off the top part with the neck from one bottle. Make 5 longitudinal cuts in this top part. Carefully trim and slightly bend the resulting petals. Make a hole in the center of the cap of this and the second bottle, as well as in the center of the bottom. Thread and secure a rubber band through the holes as I'm doing. Now, if you turn the part with the petals and release it, it will start spinning quickly like a fan. This homemade toy will help blow small debris off the table or simply entertain a child with its rotation.